You don't need to have an extra special bike to be able to climb a mountain, but you do need to choose the right gears.
Getting your bike well set up to your body can make the difference between riding in comfort and riding in pain.
Something that can't be replicated is what makes cycling so special.
The first use of carbon fibre in frames can be dated back to the 70s.
G'day, here's my top 10 tips for female cyclists trying to get into cycling.
Please, please, please don't make the mistake of putting it on back to front.
This over here is the team truck.
What does a rest day involve for guys like you?
And what on earth is in this one? Let's go find out. Now that clearly is an important performance advantage when the team hits the mountains.
It's one of the most beautiful areas in the world to train on, and this is one of my favourite descents, so let's go and check it out. Few different ways to the top of the Alpe d'Huez, but there's only one that really matters to the professionals, and that's the traditional way with all of the history.
This is a Team Sky Pinarello Dogma 65.1 Think 2, the bike with perhaps the longest name in the pro peloton.
This is Andre Greipel's Team Ridley bike.
I'm George Bennett from New Zealand, I'm 23 years old.
I'm Elia Viviani, I'm from Verona, Italy.
I'm Alex Dowsett for Team Movistar. This is my first Giro.